Thanks for watching this episode of Full Strut. We're going to be giving away a bow-ready bow stand at the end of the season. All you have to do is like, comment, and subscribe to our channel to enter into the giveaway. Check the description below for more about the giveaway and the official rules to enter in.
I'm gonna put that over here, Andy, so you can get it out easier. I'm gonna pull my truck back in.
Okay, thanks, Sam. Well, what do we got here? Ooh. Homemade apple pie. That's how you keep hunting spots right there. Let's go get these puppies delivered.
One thing Andy and I have learned over all these years is to keep a good relationship with the landowners. One way we do this is by giving out my wife's homemade apple pies. It goes a long ways when you stay in good contact and help out with whatever needs done on the farms. After making sure the farmers are still happy, we usually dive right into scouting and building new blinds.
What do you think, buddy? Think that's gonna work? I think we're in the clear, bud. One down, about 50 more to go.
I'm getting one last round of practice in before I head to Kansas tomorrow. I'm gonna be meeting Andy after work out there. I should get off tomorrow afternoon and then have everything loaded in the truck, and I'm heading straight out there, and with any luck we'll get out there in time to put a bird to bed and be able to get on him first thing Saturday morning. But I'm pretty excited, pretty pumped. Andy and I were talking on the phone earlier and trying to go over our list of stuff that we needed to bring, but I think we got it all ready, and now all I got to do is shoot a few times and get it all loaded up. Alright, well, I'm pulling into Sam's here. Just got off work early. We weren't going to get here till tonight, but it was too pretty of a day not to be out here turkey hunting. So we got the next 3.5 days, and hopefully we can get it done. Need this. Need this. You got all the decoys for now?
We are decoyed out.
So you were saying?
So I'm saying I'm so excited and I just can't hide it. I couldn't stay at work today because it's so dang nice out. 67 degrees. Our first afternoon hunt in Kansas. It would be amazing to get a tag field today.
Just might happen.
We're gonna give it a shot. Man, they love that back corner.
I know. I've seen a ton of birds back there. So what do you think? Do you see any with him? I didn't see any.
I don't see anything with him.
It's a long trek around to try to make a move on him.
He's a big old boy though.
I know he's all puffed up.
He's... Oh yeah, it's a good turkey. We try to make a play. What time is it? 3:30.
Yeah, we can make a play
We'll
on
give it
him.
an hour.
Yeah, let's do it. Oh, it's on now.
Round two.
Round two.
Let's do it.
We ran back to the house and had a quick lunch. And then went and set up a quick spot for this afternoon. And we got up here. We're wanting a midday sit here for about 3 or 4 hours. We literally were out in the decoys, setting everything up, and Andy's getting ready to put the decoy in the ground, and we hear a bah, just maybe 100 yards off. So we scrambled, we got everything set up, and he gobbled one more time while we were setting up, so we just started calling. We haven't heard him again, but they're up north of us and the wind's blowing pretty hard, so I don't know how well they can hear us, but we're gonna give it a shot. Hopefully it all works out. This is a good spot though. Andy killed here about what, 4 years ago probably? The same spot, so we know it can produce. That's right here. Here comes another Tom or Jake. It's gonna go down. I could try to take him there. Let him clear those ends. I'm waiting for that end to look away. Alright, we ready? Stupid end's gotta move. It's driving me insane. Holy smokes. They're all so close together. Okay, the right bird. Did he drop right there? I don't know if he's dead right there or not. I don't know. I thought I hit one, but the one on the right, they're all running like they're running into one. Yeah. Oh no, he's hurt. Oh yeah, he's bleeding good. Yes. Got him. I'm like, I thought I hit him, it looked good, but they all went everywhere. What a crazy hunt. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Andy, for being patient with that. I was a mess up here. Holy cow. And there's still 2 gobblers sitting out there at like 40 yards hammering it. All right, well, it's the 2 amigos now. All right, let's go get this bird and see if we can't get on one for you tonight. Hey, looky there. That's 3 today.
Are you
I'm not
kidding
even
me?
shed hunting and I found 3 sheds
There's
today.
no freaking way.
Dude, that's unreal.
You're like the shed hunting fool. Oh, guess what's right there?
Looky there. Look at that bloodbath over here.
Eee.
Oh man.
Well, they did beat him up.
That is awesome. Man, this sit was just one of those that was crazy from the get-go. So many close calls with so many birds, and then finally getting that opportunity to let one go made for one incredible hunt. I gotta thank Andy for always giving me the first opportunity out there in Kansas. After scouting so many toms, we knew our chances were good and we were not gonna give up until he got a crack at one. We got 2 big toms that just popped over here on the east side of the field. There's 3 of them out there. Bunch of them. Been out here all morning. And I've only seen 1 bird all the way up on the ridge. We heard a bunch this morning gobbling, but they never did come to the south. Now all of a sudden, we got 2 to the east of us here and 6 mature birds up to the west of us. And they're all coming this way. Oh wow, they're coming quick. Okay. You ready? On the far right. Got him. Yeah. Oh yeah, he's hurt. Hey, buddy. How was that?
We got her done. Finally got her done. Ty's tagged out, I'm tagged out. It's a big old good bird, good hooks, good beard.
Have you ever been on a set where that many toms come in at one time?
That was crazy. What do we have? I think 5 in the first set, and then another 3 came in from the east.
Yeah,
That was insane.
the numbers definitely rebounded. Let's see that big old boy. Andy and I have been blessed to hunt these properties for many years now. There are so many exciting and incredible memories we've made together. We put in a lot of hard work gaining permission, scouting, and building blinds with the hopes of having a successful season. But even after all the hard work, we know there are no guarantees. So when we both get tagged out on opening weekend, it sure feels good.
Oh my God, that was amazing. You know when you take one of those poops and your insides feel like better? Oh yeah. But it was, we're talking less than a 1/4 inch critical mass from hitting my boot. That one with the white painted face is cute.
This blind looks amazing in here. And this is like a straight up Eagle Scout type hut right here. The only time you see stuff like this is on the Survivor videos. Can we bring one of those roosters with us for shot gobble call?
I don't know. Some of them are kind of mean. I don't know if you want them in the truck with us. That could get kind of interesting.
What's the game plan? I'll run up here and run these stupid toms over with the 4-wheeler. And then what?